I'm out here today with Kiss the Ground soil expert, Don Smith, because he recently told me an amazing story about what he did with a plant leaf, a piece of green paper, a temperature gun, and the ground, and I just knew we had to get it on camera. Temperature gun. Nailed it!
So we've got a green leaf and a green piece of paper. Finn, I want you to use this temperature gun and shoot the leaf and the paper.
Okay, so the leaf is 59.7. Wow, the paper is 89.6. That's a 30-degree temperature difference. I knew plants were cool, but that was huge difference. Explain.
Unlike the paper, the plants are actually evaporating and using the power from the sun to photosynthesize. And that process, making carbohydrates, is actually endothermic, meaning it's a cooling process.
So they're like solar-powered air conditioners.
Yeah, exactly.
Don, what about all this bare soil? It feels freaking hot. Bring the temperature gun over here. Oh my God, it's 138.9. So with bare tilled soil like this, with temperatures that high, we're literally cooking the soil. And Don, farmers everywhere in current agriculture are leaving soil bare. What kind of effect is this having across the globe?
Well, bare soil causes something called the heat island effect. That affects the water supply, changes weather patterns, causes desertification. It's a huge global problem.
So bottom line is we should keep the soil covered with living plants.
Yes, crops, cover crops, even weeds are better than bare soil.
What we've learned today is that plants are cool and bare soil is not.